Here you go, Mr. Fish. Alright, so we're gonna do an oil change on the celica today. Right, Mr. Fish? Make your bed, Mr. Fish. Mr. Fish? If you can't find the right tools in this garage, you don't belong to your car.
Hey, if Jose could do an oil change, I think I could do one too.
Check it out.
Oh, shit.
This is your plug right here. This is where all your oil's at. So first you want to take that plug out, and then all the oil is going to come out. And once it stops dripping oil, you put the plug back in, and then you start with the oil filter next. Here, it's your rag. Alright, lay down. Dude, wearing white.
This is bad. Fuck it. There's a reason why I picked this shirt.
You ain't no Toretto. Oh, here. You want to put this over there? Right here? Come on, Mr. Muscles.
Hey man, you got any WD-40? Hey man, I think this is stuck.
Make sure you don't strip it.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Telling you, man.
Damn, Toretto, you're picking up the car.
Yeah, shit.
No, just take it off. Once you take it off, use your rag to clean the bolt in your hand so you don't drip everywhere.
So
just go for it.
So do I let the bolt cup fall in there?
No, you keep the bolt in your hand, but you move your hand out of the way. Because if you keep your hand there, you're gonna make a mess on the oil. Take off the bolt, keep the bolt in your hand, and use your rag to clean it. And just let it drain. There, use the rag, yeah. Don't let anything fall down. And that's it, just let it drain. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. You gotta hold that shit. There, put it upside down. Yeah, yeah. Go for it. Easy, easy. And then just clean it again.
Let it drop it?
Yeah, let it go. And then just clean up your hands and clean up where the oil filter goes.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, keep going. I'll show you how much to tighten it. More. It's getting hard?
Yeah.
A little more? More? Now loosen it up a little bit. There.
Wow, that thing is black, man.
Be ashamed.
I should have asked the guy when was the last oil change.
Yeah, you are the guy. Is everything on?
Yeah.
I'm okay.
What the fuck is that?
Oh shit. Weird ass shit. I guess it's gonna be like that. So yeah, just got some ice cream right after an oil change.
You're lucky, but I think I'm passing by your damn house. You know I can't pass by my house. I'll probably call the cops.
You call the cops. Got a Batman. What kind of ice cream did you get?
Strawberry shortcake.
Batman. I hate the little eyes, dude.
Yeah, they're always like way off.
Ah. I can't even bite it off. Where's Jose? Say he's coming over.
That's why we always have a rag.
Well, you gotta check on the ground. A leveled ground. You're halfway there. Okay. Yeah. Now clean it. No, you just pull it out. You put your rag and clean it out. As you pick it out, yeah. Clean it all the way. Clean it. Yeah. And like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Use your rag.
Again?
Yeah. So don't clean it all the way. Just to hold it. And then hold it up to the sunlight. You have it all the way through. There, you're full.
So
That's good.
what the hell do we do with the rest?
Usually you keep it, but we don't have extra
Yeah,
jugs,
that's
so
what
and you gotta recycle that. This is nasty. Look at that.
Let me call Pablo.
That's nasty.
It's like chocolate.
That's it. Mr. Arizona. I mean, Mr. Fish.
What'd you get for